Hey guys, Kimmy, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. And today, this is probably going to be the saddest video that I've probably ever made before. So, as you guys know, my mama cat was pregnant, right? And she had her babies yesterday, but the babies were too early, they were too little, so they couldn't make it. So they didn't make it. They're already sent to heaven right now. But my dad got some kitty milk, and we're going to try to save one of it because it's still alive and the other ones are dead. So I just don't want to show you guys because it just looks so sad. Guys, let me show you really fast. Okay, guys. That's what they look like. We're trying to save one because it's still breathing and it's still alive, but it was really cold, so we're trying to feed it some milk. It's in here. It's in here, guys, so there's a heating pad on it so it stays warm because, like I said, it was really cold. So, guys, Abby's still in here, the mama cat. She's very sad right now. She's sad because her babies didn't make it. Here she is, guys. She's been really sad lately. Sad and tired. Guys, please pray to hope that we save the little kitty cat and that it comes alive. I don't know, guys. I think she'll be okay, hopefully. Just guys, please pray, because I don't know if she's gonna make it or not, right, Marcy? Yeah. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Guys, please just don't be weirded out about how I showed you the little kittens. It's just really sad. You don't have to look if you don't want to. But yeah. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Guys, bye.